We are sorry to interrupt your program on this Clay Ranger 503 network channel. The following is an emergency alert system bulletin. This is not a test. Important details will follow. The National Weather Service in northwestern city, California has issued a tornado warning for Southern County until 8:32 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 6:35 p.m., National Weather Service indicated a tornado capable of producing golf ball-sized hail and high winds in excess of 72 miles per hour. This storm was located 9 miles west of Central City or about 13 miles southwest of Hansville. The tornado will be near Hansville by 7:55 p.m., southeastern town by 8 p.m., Jonesburg by 8:05 p.m., Eastport City by 8:10 p.m., South Hamilton by 8:15 p.m., Central City by 8:20 p.m. and Northwestern City by 8:25 p.m. Remember, tornadoes are one of nature's #1 killers. If you are caught outside, seek shelter immediately. If you are caught in a car or an RV, evacuate them for a stronger shelter. If no shelter is available, lay flat in the nearest ditch and cover your head. Repeat, the National Weather Service in northwestern city, California has issued a tornado warning for Southern County until 8:32 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time.